Hello guys, first of all, if you don't have the Unity Hub, go to the unity3d.com and then download the Unity Hub. Then go to the store.facebook.com and download the software of your Oculus. I have Quest 2, so I'm going to download this one. Also, download the app on your phone. When you have the Unity Hub ready, you're going to install the latest recommended version of Unity. So hit install editor. Here we have the 2021. So hit install and then check the Android build support so you can test it on your Quest. Once the editor is installed, go to new project, choose the universal render pipeline. It has a wide platform support, and then click on create project. On the Oculus app, you're going to devices and add headset. I'm connecting it through the cable, continue, and here we have it. Okay, and then you're going to settings, general, unknown resources, and then check that. On your Oculus app on the phone, you're going to go to menu, developer mode, and check that. Okay, so here we have the Unity project open. I'm going to set this to default, and then I'm going to Window, Package Manager, Unity Registry, search for XR keyword, and then we have a few packages we're going to install. First of all, OpenXR plugin we're going to install. It's going to change the input, click yes. Now it's going to restart the editor. Okay, and then we're going to install the XR interaction toolkit. I'm going to click this one. Alright, and then we're going to click on samples, starter assets, import. This last package, XR plugin management, seems like it was installed with the OpenXR plugin, so make sure to install it if it was not installed. Okay, then switch to Android platform, so go File, Build Settings, Android. I've already switched, so I don't have the Switch Platform button. Go to Edit, Project Settings, XR Plugin. In the first tab, you're going to click on OpenXR. We have this warning. I'm gonna click on it, click Fix. And then here, click Edit. And here in the interaction profiles, you can add Oculus Touch Controller, HTC, and the Valve Index Controller profile. And then you're going back to the XR plugin management, go to the Android tab, click on Oculus. This is if you want your app to be standalone on Oculus. Okay, so now to test the app, I'm going to add an XR origin. So go to the plus button, XR origin, and hit play. Okay, as you can see, I'm already in the VR, looking around, and we haven't added any movement or hand tracking yet. Thanks for watching.